how to trim video in Canva. So first go to Canva and then click on create here at the top left, and then here you can just search for YouTube video and then click on YouTube video landscape, this one, 1920 by 1080. Okay, then once you're here, you can just upload your video here. So as for me, I'll just use one of the elements here on Canva. So I'm just going to search for a car, and then let's just choose a video, random one, as for like this one. Click on that and then add it here. Okay, so once it's added here, you can start trimming it. So let's say I want to see it from here at the start, this one, and then click on the video itself. Let's just move it here again. Let's look for the motorcycle, this one, and then click on right click and then click on split, and then let's just delete this to trim it. Okay, and now I only have 9.4 seconds instead of the 17 seconds a while ago. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with this, you can just trim it down more to 5 seconds, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.